We obtained funding from the National Institutes of Health and generous support from the Division of Research and NSM to buy this Olympus FV3000 laser confocal microscope. It is an amazing device that is really on the cutting edge of imaging. This laser confocal microscope allows us to peer inside the inner workings of cells and tissues and embryos. I'm particularly excited about this microscope because we're going to use it in the research that goes on in my laboratory, which is to study aspects of embryonic development. For that, we use a zebrafish as a model organism. Zebrafish are particularly great for imaging types of experiments because the embryos are transparent. The BBIC provides imaging services and technologies to the University of Houston community and also Houston more generally. This is part of our effort to make sure that the BBIC always is equipped with state-of-the-art imaging technologies and that we're always on the cutting edge of imaging so that we can provide these services to the University of Houston.